Understanding Freshman Orientation, a guide for new students. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic for anyone who's about to start their journey in higher education. We're going to explore what freshman orientation means and why it's such an important part of your educational journey. Whether you're a student preparing to go to college or university, or just curious about American educational culture, this video will shed light on what to expect during this pivotal time. Freshman orientation refers to a series of events, workshops, and activities designed to welcome new students to a college or university. It's specifically tailored for freshmen, which means students who are in their first year of higher education. The main goal of orientation is to help students transition smoothly into their new academic environment, understand the resources available to them, and start building a community with their peers and faculty. During orientation, students will learn about their campus, academic programs, student services, and extracurricular activities. It's also a time to get practical information about things like course registration, campus safety, and living accommodations for those staying on campus. Freshman orientation is more than just an introduction to campus life. It's a foundational step in your college or university journey for several reasons. Building connections. You'll meet fellow students, faculty, and staff who will be a significant part of your life for the next few years. Academic success. Orientation provides you with the tools and information needed to succeed academically, including study resources, library services, and academic advising. Cultural adjustment. For many students, college marks a significant lifestyle change. Orientation helps you adjust to a new culture, especially for international students or those far from home. Personal growth. This is a time for personal development, exploring new interests, and getting involved in campus activities that will shape your future. Freshman orientation varies from institution to institution, but there are common elements you can expect. Campus tours, guided tours to familiarize you with the campus layout. Information sessions, workshops on academic policies, degree requirements, and student services. Social events, activities designed to help you meet other students and form friendships. Resource fairs, an opportunity to learn about various clubs, organizations, and campus resources. Advising sessions, meetings with academic advisors to discuss your course schedule and academic goals. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of what freshman orientation is and why it plays such a crucial role in a student's life. It's the beginning of an incredible journey of learning, growth, and discovery. For those of you about to embark on this adventure, we wish you the best of luck and hope you make the most of your orientation experience. Remember, it's an opportunity to lay the groundwork for a successful and enjoyable college or university career. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.